Imagine a world where your investments generate steady income, even in uncertain times. Welcome to the realm of real estate investment trusts, or REITs. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds. REITs are known for consistently generating income, which is then distributed to shareholders in the form of dividends. But how do they manage to create such reliable revenue streams? Let's dive into the fascinating world of REITs. One of the primary methods REITs use to generate income is through rental payments from their properties. They acquire and manage properties, lease them out to tenants, and collect regular rental income. This income stream can be steady and reliable, particularly if the properties are situated in desirable locations with high occupancy rates. Another significant income source for REITs is the appreciation of property values over time. As the real estate market fluctuates, properties owned by REITs can increase in value, allowing them to sell these assets at a higher price. This capital gain can contribute significantly to the overall income generated by the REIT. Some REITs engage in property development and enhancement activities to generate income. They may acquire underperforming or vacant properties and invest in renovations, expansions, or repositioning efforts to increase their value. By actively managing these properties, REITs can potentially generate higher rental income or sell them at a profit once the improvements are completed. REITs often invest in financial instruments, such as bonds, mortgages, or other interest-bearing assets. They can earn income through interest payments received from these investments or dividends paid by companies they have invested in. This additional source of income diversifies their revenue streams and can contribute to overall profitability. A well-managed REIT seeks to generate income by diversifying its portfolio across various types of real estate properties. This can include residential, commercial, industrial, or even specialized properties like healthcare facilities or data centers. By diversifying their holdings, REITs can mitigate risks associated with any single property or sector and potentially maximize income by tapping into different market segments. REITs lease space by acquiring properties and entering into lease agreements with tenants. They typically employ property management teams or third-party management companies to handle the leasing process. These teams actively market the available space, attract potential tenants, negotiate lease terms, and execute the lease agreements. Once a tenant occupies the space, the REIT collects rent according to the terms outlined in the lease. REITs closely monitor rent payments and proactively address any issues or delays to ensure a consistent flow of rental income. Federal law requires REITs to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually to qualify for certain tax benefits. By distributing a significant portion of their taxable income as dividends, REITs are able to avoid paying corporate income tax at the entity level. Instead, the taxable income is generally taxed at the individual shareholder level. REITs provide shareholders with steady income through a combination of rental income, interest income, and dividends. They acquire and manage a diversified portfolio of income-generating real estate properties, such as residential, commercial, and industrial properties. The rental income collected from tenants of these properties forms a significant source of steady income for REITs. By distributing a significant portion of their income as dividends to shareholders, REITs aim to provide consistent and regular cash flow. This steady income stream can be attractive to investors seeking reliable returns from real estate investments without directly owning and managing properties themselves. Don't forget to check out our website. Sellers can list their properties. Buyers can invest in property. We also have a Facebook community, links in the description below. So whether you're looking for steady income or long-term growth, REITs offer a compelling investment opportunity. Dive into the world of REITs and let your investments work for you. Invest smart, live better.